Hello friends, my name is Adrian of class 4. I, uh, I have I have made a project in robotics class on wireless LED blinking. In this project, I have used one 9-volt battery for power supply. One
Kilo ohm.
1 kilo ohm resistor, one transistor, insulated copper wire, and LED to show the electric transmission of data. Let's see how it's working.